Are your CapCut templates not showing or not loading properly? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut templates missing issue step by step. First, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent CapCut templates from loading properly. Next, open the CapCut app and go to your profile page. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and select Clear Cache. Confirm it to remove temporary files. This helps fix small glitches and improves app performance. After that, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store, tap on the search icon, search for CapCut, and check if an update is available. If yes, simply install it. If the issue continues, you can try offloading or reinstalling the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, then tap General, then iPhone Storage. Search for CapCut and tap on it. Now select Offload App and confirm it. This removes the app but keeps your data safe while fixing hidden glitches like missing templates. After that, reinstall CapCut from the App Store and open it again. Now your CapCut templates should start showing properly again. And that's how to fix CapCut templates not showing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and troubleshooting tutorials.